We're very excited to be here at FIRA today, and we're really looking forward to this Innovation Day. So this is Blue River and John Deere's first year kind of sponsoring this event, so that we're really excited to be here. This is a picture of our See and Spray Ultimate machine. There's going to be a demo, I think, at 10 a.m., so you can go check that out. Get some nice music playing. Oh, there, it's gone. So we'll just jump right into it. So I think one of the key things that inspires us at Blue River and John Deere is that agriculture is a really hard thing to do, and especially these days, because we've got a bunch of factors that make things extremely difficult for growers. Now, number one is growing population. So by 2050, we're predicted to have 10 billion people on the planet, and even by conservative estimates, that's going to increase the amount of food that we have to produce as agricultural growers by 50%. So add to that the fact that there's also not more agricultural land being produced. In general, there's actually less. On top of that, the labor market from 2020 to 2030 is only projected to grow 1% in ag. So you have these three factors of we need to create 50% more food, we need, we don't have more land, we need to do more with the same or less, and it's really hard to hire people into ag roles, especially labor roles. At John Deere, there's currently 800,000 connected machines. Every time I show this slide, it's out of date because there's more machines connected that's on the slide. We think that by using technology is really the answer to trying to be more efficient, creating more with less, bringing automation into the game, and embracing technologies kind of like See and Spray that allows you to get high weed control but less input. So these technologies are really going to help solve these problems. And today we're going to have a bunch of different sessions. There's going to be 2 technical sessions where we've invited some of the top ag founder leaders to come and talk to us about the technology that they're bringing to this problem. So very, very excited to hear about the technology and innovations, and hopefully you'll get a lot out of these sessions.
Okay. So I just wanted to say Open Innovation Day. So Gabe Yahtzee, I'm the Chief Innovation Officer for the University of California Agriculture and Natural Resources. And we are really one of the original sort of tech transfer to the people of California organizations. We work statewide across California. We typically call ourselves the University of California or the UC system in every county of California. We've got research centers across the state where we do really on-the-ground field trial of all kinds of ag and ag technology applications. We've got offices in every county of California where we really get in the weeds. And this is why when we decided to really launch FIRA USA 4 years ago, that we decided to work with Industry Western Growers, the University of California, and this amazing organization GoFar out of France to come together. But the UC system is one of these crown jewel systems that backstops turning that science, research, and early technology into innovation in the marketplace, and then working with startup companies, large corporates like John Deere and Blue River. In fact, actually, Blue River did a lot of its early work on our Kearney Research and Extension Center in Parlor, California.
Right.
So we had a really good early collaboration, even long before John Deere acquired Blue River. So the UC system has been a really integral part of this, and this is why we do this event too, is to really bring university, industry, and government together, because we really believe open innovation, and which at the heart of that is collaboration, is really the key to advancing the ag tech sector forward. Next slide.
Uh-oh.
I know.
Siri, advanced slide.
There we go. All right. Perfect, it worked. Even though AWS was down most of yesterday. So this has led to a really important sort of innovation in collaboration in California over time. And we're going to announce this more fully tomorrow. Come to the press conference at 10:30. But the California AgTech Alliance is really meant to help drive open innovation beyond one event, but in collaboration across California between industry, government, and academia together through this alliance that we have recently co-founded, which also represents a significant investment by the state of California into ag tech, and a recognition that not only is California agriculture critical to the US food supply, but ag tech is a critical economic driver as well, and can help provide new economic, what they call tradable sectors in California and more broadly across the US as these applications grow and get adopted by industry and become a major economic force in its own right. Next slide. And just to leave you, with, I showed you the UC network, but now this is a network that sort of goes beyond that. These are investors, these are workforce development partners, these are venture entrepreneurial support organizations, a variety of actors across California working together to take the amazing collaborations that happens at events like here at FIRA USA and drive those into the hands of the growers and the industry across California throughout the year. So more to come on that. We're excited about this innovation, but FIRA USA is really emblematic of that kind of collaboration and ultimately investment by the state of California. Big shout out to the California State Governor's Office of Business and Economic Development and the California Department of Food and Agriculture, who are really instrumental in making this happen for California and are here in the audience today. So if you see anyone from GoBiz, is the shortened name for them, thank them for this kind of investment into California.
Great, thanks, Gabe. So here's what your day looks like today. We're at the 9:15 to 9:30. We pushed it back just a little bit. Tech Talks 1, you're going to hear from Nick Fisher, Adam Stager, Nathan Bivens, and then there'll be a lightning talk session right before lunch. We'll break for lunch. There'll be a poster session where you can go out and hang out and look at some of the awesome posters that people submitted for this workshop. Then 1 o'clock will be the technical talks 2, and you'll hear from Jess Moraes, Adam Barlow, David Silver, and Gary Bradsky. Another section of lightning talks, coffee break, and then a panel discussion, which is going to be really exciting. So really awesome, exciting day, and I hope that you really enjoy it. We have an Innovation Day feedback form, so you can maybe QR code that now, or I'll show it later. We also have a Discord server, so if you're a Discord kind of person and you want to hang out on Discord and talk to other ag people in ML, please join our server.